Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Backspace. In today's tutorial, I will learn you how to overlay two pictures in Microsoft Word. A powerful technique that lets you combine photos, create creative designs, make thumbnails, prepare ID layouts, posters, banners, digital art and more all using just Word. So, let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. We can see here are many document and some pages. Now I go some down and I create a blank page. Then go to the insert menu, click the picture option, click this device. Now I find picture from my computer storage. Now I select two picture and click insert, and we can see here two picture in side by side or down by down. Now I want to overlay two picture. At first select the first picture and resize this. Then select the second picture and resize this picture small more than on the first picture. Then select the picture, go to the picture format menu, click this wrap text option and select in front of text. Now I am make front of this the first picture. Then select this picture effect. Now I am select the soft edge and make the picture soft edge. Then double click and select the picture. Then we can see we overlay to picture easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very easily. Thanks for watching.